What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. Today, this shipped from Cotulla, Texas, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. I'm going to safely and securely open this up. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can slide up in my DMs. If you want to recommend some stuff. Also, if you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice and use my username, London Hawthorne, when you are checking out. Oh, man. Trying to be careful with this. I don't want to puncture anything in the box, but also I don't want to puncture myself. But yeah, you'll save like $3 off every single shirt, and there's no limit. So if you want to buy 5 shirts, you'd be saving $15. And I get a couple bucks in credit for each shirt purchase that you do. And the cool t-shirts. I have tons of the shirts. So I ordered some WWE. I ordered some Impact. I ordered, I think, one WWE, and nope, they're all AEW. They securely wrapped them in bubble wrap. Thank you very much. This is number 2 in the Series 1 of AEW Unmatched collection. This is a Darby Allin right here. Very, very, very great condition. Worth roughly $40. But you can see, I got to meet him. It's pretty cool. Phenomenal condition. And look at that. Look at the definition on that figure. Are you a collector? Who's your favorite AEW wrestler? CM Punk just debuted last night at Rampage in Chicago. I'm about an hour and a half, 2 hours away from that building. Fortunately, I wasn't able to go. And then next up, we have, back when he was the TNT champion from AEW Wrestling, this is Cody, the American Nightmare. Champion Cody, 7 pieces, including a t-shirt, change of hands, change of heads. Phenomenal condition. I was told this is worth about $80 right now. Currently not for sale, but make me a best offer and we can see what's up. And last but not least, some of the first figures I ever had were LJNs. That was the line that made Thundercats, but also WWF figures. But this is the Cody LJN. Phenomenal condition right here. And it comes with a Wrestling Superstars Cody Rhodes poster. So very, very cool. Unlike the others, this has very minimal, if any, articulation. Looks like the belt might be removable. But I think it's like one figure a line maybe has like this LJN look mystique to it. So very, very cool. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I buy these with my own money. I am a collector. However, I do kind of sell sometimes when dire times and things happen. As always, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Hopefully I don't have to sell them, but if I do, you want to buy them, holler at your boy. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos. Wish you the best in life. And what's one of your favorite figures that you have? Leave a comment below. Have a great one.